So guys, before we actually get started, if you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe before we actually get started. Now, see our euro to our pound for the week. We will be starting with our analysis on our daily time frame. Now, as we can see, as first, when we see our analysis here, we can see that our euro to our pound was actually giving us that bullish move here. I drew my trend line. I did some analysis way back then, and I drew this trend line when our price was actually giving us this move. And guess what? Our price broke below it. It did not come back again. It actually continued to go down. As we can see this analysis, by the way, we can assume that or sit that our euro to our pound is now on a bearish move, and we would want to be looking to short this our euro to our pound. By the way, we can see pound, we saw this fall, we saw the pullback, we saw another fall again, right? Let me do it. We can see this fall, we can see this pullback. On our daily time frame, we saw another fall again. One thing I believe is that we will be getting a pullback very soon, which will be giving us a bullish move on our euro to our pound. So on this our euro to our pound, we would very much likely get a very good bullish move. But before we actually start getting it, I want you to also notice something here. I'll zoom out. On this our daily time frame, our price has actually serves as support and resistance within this area. We can see when our price came here, it fell. It also come here, it pushes up. So we can see our price have also served here as a support level. So now let's now drag it here. So we can see if our price probably to come touches here, that is what I believe. What I believe is if our price can actually come here to hit this our support level, then we will see that bullish move, by the way, to take out this our previous lower lows. At least we see this fall, we saw the pullback, we saw another fall. We would be expecting a pullback again on our euro pound. Sure, we will be expecting it, but when are we going to be expecting it is what we can't really predict on this our euro pound. If you are to see our euro to our euro to USD, pound to USD, see they are both falling both ways. So now let's sit on this our euro pound. We would want to be having a pullback very soon. So there's every possibility our price comes to this our support level before we start seeing that bullish move again. So on this our euro, we would want to be seeing a bullish move, while our pound will also want to see a fall. Now let's see another reason why we very much likely to see a fall on our pound is that sit on our index, pound index. I'll analyze it. We can see the trend. It is actually on a downward trend. I've also marked this our what I call it resistance, trend, downward trend resistance, and we have the downward trend support, right? Trend support. And now our price has already hit this our resistance level, trend line resistance level. What are we going to be expecting soon? We will be expecting a drop anytime soon, right, on this on our pound index. So once we start having that pound drop on our pound index, then very much likely we will be seeing a bullish move on our euro to our pound, as we are expecting to have anytime soon. So as we can see it now, let us try and trade it like this. Our pound touches our support level, then we can actually now take a buy position on our pound, or we can decide to treat it like support and resistance area. When our price comes here, we would love to take our buy straight up to our resistance level, and if possibly it hits our resistance level, then very much likely we want to take it down to our support level on our euro pound for this week.